So it looks like Wall Street wrapped up the week and the month on a high note. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, November 1st, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Now, Friday was a bit of a rebound day. The Standard & Poor's 500 gained about 0.3%, the Nasdaq climbed 0.6%, and the Dow added a small 0.1%. Nothing dramatic, but enough to lock in another round of weekly and even monthly wins across the board. The Nasdaq logged its 7th straight monthly gain, that's the longest streak in years, while both the Dow and the Standard & Poor's 500 chalked up 6 months in a row of green. And the big story? Amazon absolutely crushed it. Shares popped around 10% after its third quarter results came in way above expectations. Its cloud division, Amazon Web Services, jumped 20% in revenue, a strong sign that corporate spending on AI and digital infrastructure is still alive and well. Apple also reported better than expected numbers and gave upbeat guidance for the holiday season. The stock hit a fresh record above $277 before easing back later in the session. Meanwhile, Nvidia was back in the headlines again, this time for expanding its footprint in South Korea. The chip maker said it will deliver about 260,000 AI chips to Korean companies and even the government, a big step in its global push. Netflix also made some noise, announcing a 10-for-1 stock split that helped keep its shares in positive territory. And on the policy front, a few Fed officials spoke up for the first time since the rate cut earlier this week. One said inflation remains too high, while another said they would have preferred to hold rates steady, signaling that not everyone on the committee is on the same page. That shifted expectations a bit. Markets are now pricing in just about a 60% chance of another cut in December, down sharply from over 90% a week ago. So yeah, it's been a solid end to the week, powered by strong earnings and a bit less rate cut optimism. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again Monday morning for more market updates. See you then.